Introducing the SCANDINOFF STEELETON, a knife designed for everyday challenges, now within your reach. When reliability is non-negotiable, precision and purpose make all the difference. STEELETON is lightweight, sharp, and unmistakably bold. Inspired by Viking heritage and engineered for modern-day use, it's built for those who value performance without compromise. Its titanium skeleton frame offers exceptional strength with minimal weight. The Sandvik 14C28 end steel blade, sharpened to a precise 20 degrees/20 degrees angle, delivers clean, consistent cuts and excellent edge retention. Thanks to the ceramic bearing flipper mechanism, opening is smooth and instant. The deep carry titanium clip keeps the knife secure and discreet. A frame lock ensures it stays solid and dependable, even in demanding conditions. The SEAX-style blade, rooted in Norse tradition, is refined by Scandinoff's flat and groove grind for both elegance and function. 15-degree chamfered edges add sleek comfort, while jimping on the blade, flipper, and backspacer enhances grip and control. The curved handle fits naturally in the hand, offering confidence with every move. Even when folded, STEELETON becomes a defensive asset, reinforcing the fist for strikes and emergency techniques. Delivered in a premium collector's box with a dual-head maintenance wrench and cleaning cloth, because the details matter. Also available in exclusive double packs for collectors, professionals, or those who know that a great knife is worth sharing. Whether you're building your everyday carry, expanding your knife collection, or searching for a truly exceptional gift, STEELETON combines performance, design, and presentation like no other. Choose a knife that's ready for anything. Choose SCANDINOFF today.